Hello friends, guess what I have brought for you today? Yes, Extrabass. Stay tuned to see more about this product. Welcome friends, today I am bringing you this Sony MDR-XB55AP. This is an Extrabass product from Sony, and as you can see, this is the packaging of this earphone. This earphone comes with 1-year warranty right off the box. You can see the model number MDR-XB55AP. So this is how it looks. I have purchased this earphone from the Chroma store Bangalore, and this costed me around, it's in the box it is written rupees 2490, but it costed me 2249 rupees. If we see some of the features of this earphone is that it is hands-free phone calls, and it's obviously the main thing, extra bass. So without further ado, let's unbox this beauty. So here it have you guys. We have these 4 things that comes out of the box. One is obviously the manual. It shows us how to use this product. And then obviously the earphone. One carrying pouch with the Sony branding. Then this pouch is quite good. And a set of extra earbuds. Now talking about the earphone, as you can see I have purchased this blue color. You can also get this earphone in 3 different colors. That is, one is grey, this one is blue, and the another one is white. So this is how it looks. Pretty, isn't it? You get this shiny chrome kind of finishing at the outside, with the Sony branding at the sides. And looking at this cable also, it is quite long. Let me just open this thing. Yes, it is quite long. At the end you will get a gold plated jack. As you can see, it's an L shape. The beauty of L shape is that if you put it in your phone, it won't get pressed up when you are using in portrait mode. Some other features of XB55 is that it comes with a microphone. As you can see, it has one button, but you can use it with multiple functionalities, like you can press it for calling, or you can end the call. Then with long press you can activate Siri or even Google Now, or any kind of assistant you have in your phone, or even double tap to change the track, or triple tap to move it back. The bass sounds really good, punchy. You will feel the bass depth. The trebles and mids good too. Another good feature of this earphone is that it is tangle free. As you can see, I can easily free it out. If you look closely to the wire, it is flat cable, and it has, let me focus, it has groove patterns, if you can see. So that's it with the earphone guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel to enjoy more future videos. Thanks a lot.